is lesson on concentrations of solutions. When you say a solution is weak or dilute or unsaturated, that's not very exact. So there's two ways of finding out a concentration of a solution. One is by percent. And percent is either by weight or by volume. It's usual percent calculations. What we're going to do in this course is percent weight per volume. And that's going to be the grams of the solute divided by the milliliters of the solution, that's abbreviation for solution, times 100%. So if you have, say, 10 grams of NaOH in 100 milliliters or 200 milliliters of solution, what would be the percent weight per volume? It'd be grams 10 over volume 200 times 100%. So you reduce down and you get a 5% solution. So this is the percent concentration, and it's used in industry a lot, but not very much in chemistry, because in chemistry we're interested in the numbers of things. If we want equal numbers of molecules, like one of these compounds react with another one of these compounds, so we use something called the molar solution, or molarity. Molarity is moles of the solute divided by liters of the solution. And since you're doing moles, we're using numbers of things, so it's easier to compare what's going to react with something else. For the above reaction, or above solution, first of all, you got to find the number of moles in NaOH. So it's 10 grams of NaOH, 1 mole, and 40 grams. That's the things we did last year in class. So that turns out to be 0.25. So the moles of the solute for this equation is 0.25 moles divided by 200 milliliters. You got to move the decimal point over 3 places, 0.2 liters. So that divided by that turns out to be 1.25 molar solution. Big M is molar. Sometimes you want to know what's the molarity or concentration of the ions or the electrolytes. So that is the molarity of the solution times the number of ions. In this case, there's 1 Na, so the molarity is 1.25 times 1, because it's 1 Na, 1.25 molar. If it was some concentration and it was Na2, then that would be a 2, and you get 2.50 molar. And then if they want to know the total molarity, if some other solution is 1.25, so for the positive ion, say Na plus, and say for the negative is SO4, 2 minus, and there's 2 of those, 1 of those, So when you add them up, 3.75 molar total ions. This is where you have the number of grams and you're trying to find the molarity. You can do the opposite solution. Suppose you have 3 liters of a 0.25 molar solution of NaOH. How many grams do you need? So the question is how many grams. So the molarity is moles over liters. The molarity is 0.25 equals moles, which you don't know, over 3 liters. Cross multiply, 0.75 moles. You want to get rid of moles, so 1 mole goes on the bottom. And on top you have 40 grams, that's the ANU of NaOH. So you multiply those out and you get 30 grams. So to make that solution you would need 30 grams of NaOH. This concludes this lesson on concentrations of solution.